Struggling to find time for a healthy breakfast? You're not alone. Amidst the morning rush, breakfast often falls by the wayside, yet it's the meal that sets the tone for your day. That's why we're here with quick, easy, and nutritious breakfast ideas. From overnight oats to smoothie bowls, avocado toasts to egg muffins, we've got you covered. These recipes not only taste fantastic, but also pack a nutritional punch to get your day off to a great start. Get ready for some delicious and healthy breakfast ideas that are sure to kickstart your day. First up, we have overnight oats, a versatile and time-saving breakfast option. Simply combine rolled oats with your choice of yogurt, milk, or even a plant-based milk, and let it soak overnight. By morning, you've got a hearty, nutritious breakfast that's ready to go. And the best part? You can customize it with toppings like fresh fruits, crunchy nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey. Experiment with flavors and make it your own. Overnight oats, a nutritious breakfast waiting for you when you wake up. Next, we're blending up a storm with nutrient-packed smoothie bowls. These bowls are like the superheroes of breakfast, offering a powerful punch of vitamins and minerals. Start with your favorite fruits, throw in some leafy greens, maybe a scoop of protein powder for good measure, and blend. The real fun begins when you start decorating your bowl. Granola, coconut flakes, chia seeds, sliced fruits. The sky's the limit. Smoothie bowls are a refreshing and energizing way to start your day. Moving on to a trendy favorite, avocado toast. This versatile breakfast option can be spruced up in so many ways. From a classic avocado spread with a sprinkle of sea salt to a rich and creamy avocado paired with a perfectly poached egg, the possibilities are endless. Or try it with smoked salmon for a burst of omega-3 fatty acids. And let's not forget about the simple yet flavorful avocado with cherry tomatoes and balsamic glaze. Avocado toast, a simple yet satisfying breakfast that never disappoints. These are just a few ideas to help you make breakfast a part of your morning routine. We've explored the convenience and versatility of overnight oats, the nutrient-packed goodness of smoothie bowls, the simple yet delicious avocado toast, and the grab-and-go convenience of egg muffins. We've also delved into the nutritious layers of Greek yogurt parfaits, the simplicity of chia seed pudding, the vegetable-rich egg frittatas, the benefits of quinoa breakfast bowls, the sustained energy from whole grain pancakes or waffles, and the handheld convenience of savory breakfast wraps or sandwiches. Remember, starting your day with a nutritious meal sets the tone for the rest of your day, providing the energy and nutrients you need to perform at your best. Enjoy experimenting with these healthy breakfast ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And tell us, what's your favorite healthy breakfast? Share in the comments below.